We are here with Azam Ali, one of the BRS leaders. Sir, Congress is now leading with 19,000 votes. What do you have to say about it? And whereas BRS and BJP have been trailing behind.
It's very clear. Since day one, like when we were into the campaigning, we have seen Congress ministers and leaders distributing a lot of money, a lot of cookers. It's very strange, you know. When you go to the voter, you appeal for the vote. But in fact, they were distributing saris, cookers, sewing machines, and a lot of money among the voters. So it's very bad on that part. It should be a free and fair election, actually, to be honest. But unfortunately, as Naveen is leading, so I think it's really a very bad time for all these general voters, especially. So let's see what happens. The result is yet to come, and I think the sixth round is going on. So hopefully, we'll see what exactly will happen. But as per the results right now, we are lacking back, very behind. So let's see.
Where do you think the BRS has to buckle up?
BRS was very confident. BRS have done a lot of work in the area. The only thing we were lacking, we couldn't do the poll management as the Congress did. We did not distribute money, we did not distribute cookers, we did not distribute saris because KTR Rana always said we let it be a fair election, and I think we were lacking behind in that. If we would come to know that these all things would affect the election, we would have definitely done something like that.
Thank you so much.